Okay, I've got one for you. What if, at the same time we're calming the mind, we can get ourselves energized? Hi everybody, my name is Christine and I'm coming to you from Paris where I live, and I am going to be bringing you yoga tutorials every Friday morning starting at midnight Paris time. And you can also go to my blog if you have any questions or you want to know a little bit more about what you've just seen. You can always refer to my website at yogaflower.Paris.com for further information. So, are you ready?
Hello, everybody. Thanks for your visit. Today we are going to be looking at a posture called Setu Bandha with bricks. It's the supported bridge pose. It's a back bend and a spinal lift, and it opens the heart while strengthening the hips and the legs. It's an all-in-one as it calms the mind with the chin being locked into the collarbones, but leaves you refreshed and energized. And the physical benefits of this posture are that it stretches the neck and the chest and the spine, and it also relieves back and neck ache. It restores tired legs and prevents varicose veins, and it reduces thyroid problems. And therapeutically, it combats depression by calming the brain and expanding the chest, and it regulates blood pressure and hypertension. And it also reposes the heart. But it's to be avoided if you are recovering from a major illness or if you have neck or back injuries. And you'll see why in a minute. So what we're going to do is we are going to need a brick or two. I use two because it's more comfortable, and I call that, it's more Cadillac, if you will. I've got a small lower back problem for the minute, and this seems to help me stay in the posture longer with two. I just double them. And a belt. So you're going to come on your mat, take your belt, and loop it around the thighs. Not tight, but just a little bit snug, to where your legs stay hip-width distance apart. You're going to lower yourself down on your back, taking the bricks, bending your knees, and placing your feet firmly into the ground. And what you're going to do is you're going to lift your pelvis area up, and you're going to scoot the bricks underneath and let the coccyx fall onto the bricks. And then lace your fingers behind the bricks, rolling your shoulders underneath your shoulder blades. Okay, and now we're going to scoot both of the legs out to straighten them. And we're going to relax the stomach, open the chest, relax the throat, and really going to try and put the chin into that little part here between the collarbones. And breathe. If you can hang out here for 1 to 2 minutes, that would be fabulous. But do what you can. Breathe 10 to 15 times in any case. Keeping the legs straight. Shoulders rolled under. Everything in the body is completely relaxed. And to come out, you bend the knees again, unlace the fingers, and what you're going to do is you're going to pull your buttocks up, your pelvis up, lower the bricks, come down, go back up, take the bricks completely away, and roll down vertebra by vertebra. Release the legs from the belt. And just stay here with the knees bent and the feet on the ground for a minute. And then when you're ready, turn to your side, press the right hand into the floor, and come up into a seated position. And there you have it. There is Setu Bonda with bricks. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it does you well. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Namaste.
Thank you so much for coming and visiting my channel. I do hope you enjoyed it, and I really hope that you found it helpful. And if you know of anybody else that you think might enjoy it or find it helpful, I do hope you share it with them. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. And you can also leave a comment or a thumbs up on your way out. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and on some good days, Twitter. I'm all over the place. Until we see each other again, take care of each other. Bye now.